I want to do this. So now I gotta go to the tank wash and wash this hose. Ooh, slow down. Alright. Oh. Maybe taking that off will help, huh? Come on, puppy. Okay, now you know what, let's look on the bright side. Oh shit. What the fuck? I need to get another 3 to 2, man. That'd have been sweet. Now this is gonna go over here. You know what? Hold on. The 3. No, it should be good. Cause I'm thinking, but I'm seeing that I got a 3-inch right there and a 3-inch here. The adapter, but I only have one 3 to 2.
I don't know. I'll go look. Okay.
Thanks, man. Let's get that out of there. Okay. I'm just trying it out for now. No, I'm supposed to put the bleeder here, but I'm trying to see. Yeah, dude. What the Alright, for a fact, I put your boy right here, right? But to do that, get a double male, right? To go from here. Oh, no, I don't. Watch. You'll see what I'm talking about. Check it out. See that? So I need that double male. Let's go get it. Double male. I wish I had that extra 3 to 2, dude. Because I already got the adapter, the 2-inch female, double side. One like this. Boom. But this one my boy came back with. I have gaskets, so I want to hear you guys in the comments. You see that? True 2-inch. We would have been in the game, but now what has to happen is we got to move this. Kind of got to get as close as I can to here. I mean, we'll figure it out. This liquid's coming out of my tank one way or another. We'll check it out right now.